We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.
Hi, friends!
Hi!
Happy New Year! Woo!
Happy New Year!
Yay! How's everyone doing today? Angelica, are you having a great day? How about you, Ronan and Caleb, and my KRK schools?
And look who's back, friends!
I'm back, friends!
To
Yay!
the STEAM Lab
Woo-hoo!
Club!
I'm so excited, and I heard you have a fun project today. Is that true?
I think we do. We get to make some Play-Doh and fill it up with glitter. Does that sound fun?
Yes, it does, for the new year.
All right!
Alrighty, well, how about we get right to it? Let's go over all the materials we need for today's STEAM Lab.
Okie dokie.
Okay, friends. To start, we need a large bowl. We need some measuring cups.
Okay. And some measuring spoons.
Perfect. We need some flour.
Flour.
Flour. We need some salt,
Plain salt.
a cup of water,
We need some water.
some oil,
Some oil. And we need some glitter!
Okay, friends, are
Alrighty,
you ready to get
friends.
started?
And you can use anything. If you have sequins or little pieces of candy, I don't
that
know.
works.
All kinds of fun things you can use, even
We have
toys.
some sprinkles.
You can use these sprinkles, anything. Alrighty, Coach Lauren, what do we gotta do here?
We gotta make some Play-Doh. So first what we're gonna do is we are going to take our flour
Okay.
and we are going to measure it out. How many cups of flour do we need, Coach Jerry?
All right, it says 2 cups of flour. Two cups of flour. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your little measuring cup, alrighty? And look on the top of it. It should say 1. Okay, 1 cup. All right, so we need to add 2 of these cups, okay? So here we go. I'm just gonna reach in there, and it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm just gonna scoop 1 in the bag. Now watch this. All I do is kind of level it out and dump her in there. There's 1, and that's uno in Spanish. All right.
Oh, so good. Look at all that flour.
And 2.
2 cups of flour.
Bam!
Awesome.
We got it. There's 2. Okay, now what
All right,
do we do?
next we need water. So we need to take 1 cup of water.
Okay,
Just
so
1 cup, okay?
we can use this same cup. We're not doing 2. We're just taking the 1 cup. That says 1 cup.
And make sure that it's cold
Ooh,
water.
that's a cold drink of water here.
No, Coach Jerry, you're not supposed to drink it. No.
Oh, wait, what? Huh?
We have to pour it to make our
Oh, whoopsies!
Silly
Gee
Coach
whiz!
Jerry.
I am a goofball.
Alrighty, so 1 cup of cold water.
1 cup of cold water. All right, what do I do with
Perfect.
this?
And you're gonna pour it right into the bowl.
Okay. Boop. All right, next.
We need to stir. You think that you could do that?
Boy, I'm probably the best stirrer.
Stir.
Look at this stir here. Oh, it's so gross. It feels like mud. Ooh, it's like white mud though. I like white mud.
All right, so keep mixing, and while you do that, I'm gonna get the salt ready.
Okay.
So we're gonna take 1 cup of salt, friends, okay?
A full cup of salt. Alrighty.
So all in here, 1 big cup of salt.
Okay, you should be good with mixing. It doesn't have to be perfect yet.
It doesn't, don't worry, friends.
Because we have some more ingredients, right?
We sure do.
Okie dokie.
Oh man, this is a lot of salt. You want to try this, Coach Jerry?
If it was sugar, I would say absolutely.
Are you sure? Come on.
The salt. Woo.
Just a little bit.
Alrighty. Oh, that's
Alrighty.
looking good. Okay.
So 1 cup of salt, and we're gonna pour it right in.
Okay. Pour it on.
Pour.
I'm gonna keep mixing.
Keep mixing. It's looking good.
Okay.
All right, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tablespoon of oil. Okay?
Tablespoon of oil.
Of oil.
Okay, hold on here.
So I'm gonna grab.
I gotta put
Tablespoons.
my mixing shoes on here.
Your mixing shoes.
There we go. Now we're mixing.
All right, so here is 1 tablespoon, okay, friends? So I'm gonna take the oil, open it up, and 1 tablespoon. Pour. Perfect. All righty, Coach Jerry, I'm coming in.
Alrighty. I'm just kneading the dough.
Awesome. All right, keep kneading.
Okay.
How are my friends doing? Angelica, Ronan, Kayla, my KRK schools. How are we doing, Camden?
I'm really digging in. What if it's too dry or it's too wet?
That's a good question, Coach Jerry. So if it's too dry, we need to add more liquid, right?
Oh.
So we could either add more water or some more oil.
Okay.
And if it's too dry, if it's too wet, then we need to add more flour, okay, to thicken it up.
Ooh,
but I think, what do you think we need? I think we need some more water, maybe?
Man, I don't know. This is looking like some pretty good stuff. I just
does
gotta
look pretty good.
knead it a little bit more.
Yeah. Do you need some help? I could help you out with it.
Okay. Alrighty.
All right.
You gotta eat some of it too.
No, not yet. All right. All right. Looks good.
Yeah, it's looking good, and it's not even sticking to your hands anymore.
So I think that's actually pretty good.
So if it's not sticking to your hands or anything,
see,
you should be good to go.
But Coach Jerry, we're not done yet. We need to add the best part.
The best part.
And what is that?
I'm gonna show you. Glitter!
Yay! Glitter!
Oh no! It got on our screen.
You gotta wipe
We
it
must
off.
have yelled too much. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna put it back into the bowl.
Okay.
And we should pour some glitter in. What do you think?
I think that is an absolute yes!
Even some sprinkles.
Okie dokie. So
just pour. So
we're
it's
gonna,
New Year's.
So get your glitter out and your confetti, and on the count of 3, we're gonna say Happy New Year, and we're gonna pour our confetti or our sprinkles or our glitter in. Okay. Oh man. Alrighty. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh no!
That's a lot! Happy New Year!
Wow!
Look at that! Now we gotta mix.
Mix it up. This is gonna be the coolest glitter ball I've ever seen in my life.
It's Celebration Play-Doh.
Wow!
For the new year.
Oh wow! What if we added some more glitter?
More glitter? Maybe some of this. Let me open it up.
I don't know. Whoa!
Do we need more? All right, maybe some. This one will look pretty.
Oh yeah. Oh no!
Coach Jerry!
The lids are just falling right off of those things.
Oh, but that color looks pretty, don't you think?
Wow, I love it.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Cool, guys. Look at this. Look, and our little beads are. Whoa! Do you see this?
That is so
cool.
cool. I love that.
Wow. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are gonna take our Play-Doh. Okay, we're each gonna take some. I'm gonna split mine in half and give some to Coach Lauren.
Thank you.
All right.
This is awesome.
And you can add some more stuff if you want. Okay, I'm definitely adding some more glitter to mine.
Okay. Should I add some more?
Yeah.
All right, just a little more.
Maybe a little silver glitter too.
Oh, the silver glitter is pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Look at it. Look at how pretty this is.
Wow, this is pretty glitter, guys.
How is everybody doing with their celebration Play-Doh?
All right. Okay, is everybody ready here? All righty, here's what we're gonna do. Now watch this. I'm gonna teach you how. We've done this in a STEAM lab club before, but if you haven't been here, I'm gonna teach you how to make these numbers. We're gonna make a 2, 0, a 2, and a 3.
What does that mean?
It's the year 2023 now!
Yeah!
Alrighty, friends. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4 little wormies, okay?
4 little wormies.
So we need to break our Play-Doh into 4 different pieces, all the same size. Okay?
1.
It should look like this right now.
2. 3 wormies.
Yep. 1 more wormy.
1 more wormy.
Okay,
Perfect.
these are just the balls right now. These are just the chunky balls, okay? So now we're gonna take the first one of these, okay? And watch what I do. I just put it in my hand, all right? And I squish it up nice and good. Then I take my hand and I roll up and back, okay? Up and back, all right? And it looks like this from the side. Up and back.
Up and back.
Up and back. Just like that. Now you're gonna make 1 wormy.
Wormy.
1 big wormy or snake, whatever you want to call it. Whoop, probably needs to be longer. Whoa, these are getting big. And you want me to show you another trick? If you actually set it down and you do the same thing,
You can roll it out, right?
you can roll it out. Yeah, isn't that cool? Well, these are gonna be big numbers, I think.
That's okay.
Okay, let's roll it out a little more.
How does that look?
That is probably perfect.
Awesome.
Now I'm gonna have Coach Lauren put hers on a little brighter piece of paper.
Yeah, so you can see it a little bit
see
better.
it better.
So we're gonna make the number
And all you're doing is shaping it into the 0
2.
or the 2.
Two
Yep,
first.
the 2 first. Whoops. Gee whiz, I don't even know my numbers today.
Silly, silly. How does that look?
Oh, that looks great. Okay.
All right.
Now,
Number 2.
Next one, let's roll out. Listen, this one's a little bit different. I'm going to do it a little differently so we can learn something. All right? Here's what we're doing. We're going to take it, and instead of rolling a wormy, we're going to roll in a circle. Okay? So watch from above. I'm going in a circle. And you can also set it down
And roll.
and roll in a circle also, okay? And keep going until it almost looks like a flying saucer. See that? Whoa! Whoa! There's aliens coming our way!
I hope not.
Everybody, get out of the way! There's aliens coming! Oh, whoa! Okay, we dodged the aliens.
That was a close one.
But do you still have your Play-Doh? All right, let me show you what to do. Once we have our little flying saucer, all we're gonna do is put our fingers in the middle and poke a hole.
Poke a hole in the
Poke a
middle.
hole in the middle. And that's it. Now watch this.
Looks like a little donut. Mini donut.
Boop. And guess what? We have a 0.
Perfect. That looks good.
Alrighty, now here's the best part. We're gonna let you make your 2. Your other 2. We showed you how to make the first 2 here. So try to make 1 more 2.
I think they could do it.
You think so?
I know they can. Right, Angelica, Caleb?
Roll out some wormies.
Come on, my KRK schools. Roll out those wormies.
All right.
Come on, Ronan. Roll, roll, roll.
Okie dokie. It needs to be about, yeah, it needs to be pretty long. Okay. Whoa, we're almost there. We can't enter into the year 2023 until we get our numbers made.
Yeah, that's right.
Uh-oh.
So what is the last number?
What's the last number?
2, 0, 2.
1, 2, 3! Alrighty, roll out one more big wormy. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. You can break it up into 2 wormies. On the 3, here's 1 wormy. Boop, I'm just going to make backwards that way. And you could do yours a different way. You can follow the way it goes if you want.
I'm going to make a 1 big wormy.
Okay, so Coach Lauren's making the 1 big wormy. I'm making the 2 wormies to complete the 3.
I have a long wormy.
Beep. And then I just pinch those together. Oh, did we make it into 2023? Almost. Ooh.
Pinch this a little more. Kind of looks like a seahorse, but it's the number 3.
That's a pretty seahorse, though.
Yeah.
That's nice. All right. Now we have Happy New Year. Woo! Now you can celebrate with your putty. And what does Coach Jerry like to do with all his projects? I like to either eat them or play with them
I like
some
to play
more.
with them.
Alrighty, friends.
It is time to say goodbye to all my
friends.
It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.